Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. The viewers in front of me, YOTON Baby Monitor YB03, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable the lullabies for the child using this device. So the camera will play the lullabies, not this part, but the baby's part. So open the My menu, find here lullabies, and find the melody you wanna enable. And then camera will play the lullaby. And to stop it, you need to click stop button. So, okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.